Hey there, fellow daters. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for navigating the ever-evolving world of online dating. Today, we're diving into how to unmatch everyone on Tinder in 2025. Whether you're looking to clear out old matches, protect your privacy, or just hit the reset button on your dating life, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Let's jump right in. First off, why would you want to unmatch everyone? Maybe you've met someone special and want to focus on them, or perhaps you're taking a break from swiping. Whatever your reason, Tinder's 2025 updates make it easier than ever, but remember, you'll have to do this manually since there's no mass unmatch feature yet. Step 1. Open the Tinder app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. If you haven't updated recently, go ahead and do that now. Tinder's 2025 version has some slick new privacy tools. Step 2. Head to the Matches tab, usually at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your current conversations and matches are listed. Scroll through and take a deep breath, it's time to say goodbye. Step 3. For each match, tap on their profile or chat to open it up. Look for the 3 dots in the top right corner or swipe left on their name. That's your gateway to the unmatch option. Step 4. Select Unmatch from the menu that pops up. Tinder will ask you to confirm, so go ahead and tap Yes or Unmatch again. Poof, they're gone from your list. Repeat this for every match. It might take a few minutes if you have a lot, but think of it as digital decluttering. In 2025, Tinder has added a Bulk Actions feature in settings, which lets you select multiple matches at once, but it's still in beta, so check if it's available in your region. Once you're done, double-check your Matches tab to make sure it's all clear. And hey, if you change your mind, you can always start swiping again. A quick word of caution. Unmatching removes the person from your list and deletes the chat, but they might still see your profile if you haven't blocked them. If you're dealing with harassment, use the block feature instead. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more dating hacks. See you in the next one.